Start to do these vlogs. I'm just wondering and checking out to see if this is a different angle, and also realize that I breathe really hard while I'm talking on camera. Like that's what it sounds like. It's rather annoying, but whatever. I guess I'll have to learn not to do that or to breathe real quick. Also, you can see my allergies are acting up, but this was just to see if holding my phone the back way and doing it as a video was a better angle. Notice the red contacts. Yeah. Spiky hair, you know. But, yeah. Peace out, guys.